This is where we came on the cruise.
No peek, right about the water line of the ship, and we're about to enter the main laundry. So just so you know, as we go along the way, it can get a little loud in there. So one, please fill in so that everyone has the opportunity to see everything. If you don't hear our laundry master, everything he says, that's fine. I'll be able to answer any questions for you after we leave. Just focus on what you're seeing. He'll do a couple demonstrations. In my opinion, the coolest parts of what you're going to see in here. So the laundry operation has a 25 staff with a laundry master, who we'll see in a second, Fauzi, as well as 2 laundry supervisors. They run in 2 different shifts, 24 hours a day, so this is constantly always open. The first shift goes from 8 in the morning till 8 at night, with a 2-hour breaks for 1 hour for lunch, 1 hour for dinner, and then the second shift comes in right away at 8 o'clock at night there. So it actually runs on this ship over 2 floors. If you've been some on some of our smaller ships and done the tour before, this will seem even bigger than what you're used to. And they handle the laundry for everyone on board, guest, staff, and crew. As we come out on the other side, you're going to see the crew personal laundry. There are 28 washers and 28 dryers for us to do our own personal laundry. So for my t-shirts and everything that I use to go ashore. I will tell you that is a blessing, because on my last ship, it was about half the size. We had 900 crew member. There were 7 total machines on board. So I'm pretty happy with 28. That's a really nice group. So we're just waiting for Fauzi to get over here. I'm just going to give him a call.
Washing machine.
Yeah. So as we go through, you're going to see some smaller machines that have the passenger laundry. They might mix you with other passengers.
Would they? No, they wouldn't do that.
They'll mix with other passengers. They have these yellow tags they put on. I don't know. They're pretty legendary. People know the yellow tags because they never come off the shirts and everything like that. But it's done in a much smaller format. All right, everyone. This is Fauzi. Say hi, Fauzi.
Hi, Fauzi.
Fauzi comes from Indonesia. He is our laundry master on board, and I will let him take it over. Absolutely.
All right, my good. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good.
Okay, we're doing great here. By the way, my name is Fauzi. I am your laundry master. All right, just by the way, I have 25 manpower, including me and my laundry supervisor. This is good for me. I have 2 laundry supervisors, but I need more. I need more laundry supervisors.
If anyone's looking for a job,
So I can give them tasks, do that, do this. So I just sit in my office, they like. Nice. No, I have to engage with my stuff, really. If not, otherwise the operation is not very tough. So I have to work like this laundry man as well. I don't have much paperwork for laundry master. Only at the end of the course, I have a little bit for laundry status report. That's it. Remaining, I have to work with laundry master. All right, I just want to get some feedback to you. What time did you come on board yesterday?
4 o'clock.
Oh, 12.
No,
Oh, no, we did 11.
11.
11. Okay, we have total guests, almost 5,000. Okay, so we have only biggest 2 machine here. That's what we have. For the capacity 120 kilo. We have only 2. So we discussed with our staff to put this biggest machine. We're using only for garden napkin because it is especially today, sea day. We are super busy with the garden napkin, pool towel, and spa. We have to race with that one. This garden napkin is coming every single hour. It's coming, so we have to provide for it. So we're using with this biggest machine only for garden napkin. So speaking with this washing machine, the procedure for this one, we have capacity 120 kilo, right? So before we loading, we just make sure we wake it first. We have skill there. We wake it. We just make sure we're loading less than 25 kilo. If you put more than, then it will not layer is going to be going up. We have to take out. So it is different thing with the regular washing machine. We don't have to wake it. It is so up on the panel how many kilo we have. The panel here is how many kilo. So for the lawn, then we have 7 small washing machine. We have another 3 there with the capacity 33 kilo. So What we use it mostly for the jacket and the shirt. So we use it for the shirt when our officer or member or guest order to have as for the sleeve. You can do by this one thing. Okay. So by this one app we can adjust. So we can adjust the speed. Sometimes we have manual with the machine, right? But we don't have to worry here. We have spare parts. We have designated requirement as well. So we have some people, we just call them and then we come in and fix it, alright? Vacation, I'll buy one for her.
I'll take one. I'll take one.
Alright, now we're going up to deck 3. We will see the front wall lining and we will see towel border as well.
How you doing?
What are they? Here we go.
Some laundry room.
Especially I'm one who is this. I have to take a look and filter everything. Everything otherwise it's going to be cost-wise. And then also here, when there is just this unit is going to be coming. You don't have to take out from the dryer. You just prepare it with something like this. And normally you can come inside of the floor. Morning and we are feeling in
I don't know who's gonna want to see
when
this.
we are done, next shift coming and different shift. So they coming 8 o'clock in the morning. So that's good thing because working all night. That's for linen. So we don't have to take one from the dryer. When something done, we have to stay away the trolley from this conveyor because there is sensor here. When it is blocked, it is coming all the time, non-stop. Especially there is nobody watching. And then the full towels should be dry enough. If still wet, it's going to be stuck together. So under the below. So the below there.
What? I don't care about the way. I care about it takes forever.
So when this car coming up, we prepare the trolley and we transfer the trolley. When we have lots, we call deck boy to bring up to the full deck area. That's what we do. Okay? Taking care, really taking care of our stuff and
$25 Mount Johns on the 5th race.
Okay, luckily we have, we call this one front wall ironing. It designed only for napkin and pillowcases, okay? So it has 4 sensors, 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning we can use by 4 person to do a lot of production. So we just put like this. And then every single sensor. So another thing, you have to take a look at the shower.
Okay.
Shower. So if too much hot here, when we have fire, it's gonna be worse. Okay. Sprinkler.
I see them all over here.
Yes, even in your cabin have it. Yes. Alright, this is the linen, the ones you put it from that side, from the freezer, okay? Just take this area and you can see the linen, the one we put it from that side. Okay, yes. Okay, this is already dry. Okay, I'll show you. Still warm. Just cooking. Alright. So my staff work right here. They have to separate the size between double and single. So we have this sign here. Okay, so when we insulin it, it's gonna be easy how many